Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel. And today on Tool Talk episode 14, we're going into my socket rails and how I organize my sockets. Now I have a couple different ones, but the main one I'm speaking of, and I've hit on this a time or two before, but I'm kind of revamping videos. You know, the longer you have something, a tool or an organizer, you realize more pros and cons to them. So that's what I'm doing, as well as giving additional information and just sharing why I like this product, and that is the Ernst Socket Boss. So the Ernst has a lot of different organizers and socket organizers at that. Now they have single rails, they have a tray that holds 2 rails. The Socket Boss, which is the one I have, 3 rails in a tray, and then they have rails that actually connect to each other that's fully customizable. Well, the nice thing about these is you can order clips and attachments and accessories for these on the side as well. Say each Socket Boss has 3 rails, one being 15 quarter inch, 15 3/8, and 15 half-inch adapters. You can purchase just, let's say, 3/8 adapters, and you can remove your half-inch and quarter-inch little clips and replace them with 3/8 and make that entire rail at 3/8. Or you can get ratchet holders, and I'll show you that. I have it. But I'm going to be showing you 2 boxes today: my Husky, which was always my home box, and my Matco service cart, which has the same setup but was specifically for my job. Well, the job that I have, if you've watched my channel before, provides me with all the tools I need. So all my tools in my Matco that was supposed to be for work, now the same thing as my home box. So my tools get used a fair amount, not an everyday mechanic type of thing, but you know, more than once a month. You know, every weekend I'm out here working on the Camaro or doing something around the house, especially since I moved into a new house. So the tools get used a decent amount, the organizers get used, they haven't worn out, which is great. So that's something I want to point out. I've had them for about 2 or 3 years and they've held up really well. So let's get into this. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll share with you as much information as I can. Okay, so here we go. The blue, I decided to make all my metric. Now, as you can see, I have a different rail back here. This is actually the Harbor Freight one for my half-inch drive chrome sockets. But as far as these first 2, they're going to be the Ernst Socket Boss. As you can see here, there's a tray. You can see these tabs, and there's 3 rails. Well, let's say you wanted to work on the car, but you didn't want to keep running back and forth from your toolbox to the car. You can simply just press down on this tab, slide the rail this way, and it comes out, and you can grab the entire thing and go. And then to put it back, it's simply just there. Boom. Super simple, really nice. And each one of these is a twist lock, so you simply just twist it and the socket's not coming off anymore. Twist it, it moves really easy, and none of the tabs have worn out. So let me just show you kind of what it looks like up close. Well, maybe I'll get to a better one here in a little bit, but maybe something a little bit larger. And you can order, like I said, packets of just 3/8, packets of just quarter inch, packets of just half-inch. So the rails are fully customizable. And then they provide you with all the stickers in order to and multiple stickers at that, so you can put together, you know, whatever sockets you want on here. You're gonna have plenty of stickers to label them. And then I made one just my 3/8 impact and half-inch impact shallow, and then this is just quarter inch 3/8 chrome sockets. And then I have the same thing for SAE. And then these are just laying in here. These are my Tecton 90-tooth ratchets. You guys might have seen the video on these that I released. If you haven't, go ahead and check that out. Really nice 90-tooth ratchets. Look at this guy. This is a 3/8 ratchet, 90-tooth, really long. Let's see, 18.5 inches long. So really long 3/8 ratchet. But getting back to the Ernst Socket Boss, the tray is super durable. I'll show you guys what I have on them in my Matco box, and they hold a lot of weight. I've carried it outside of the box, which is It's extremely heavy, but okay, moving on over. This is my Matco service cart, and the dimensions on the Ernst socket boss is going to be 19 3/4 inches long and 5 1/4 inches wide. So that's why in this box I have them sideways, because these drawers are only 17 and roughly 1/4 inch deep. So there's no way I could run them front to back like I have here. But this is all my 1/4 inch, all my 3/8, and then 3/8 impact, 1/2 inch impact. So then you can get these adapters as well in different sizes to hold ratchets and extensions. Really nice, so you don't, have to waste a drawer or something of just ratchets and extensions. And as you can see, they got 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch. So everything is right here. I can just simply grab it and go. But see if I can kind of show you. The tab, and that is how it locks. Yes, these are Pittsburgh colorful sockets. You can just grab them for a pinch because they're 12 point, and if I ever need them, I have them. But that's simply how it locks on when you twist the socket, and it holds it very well. And they come off super easy. So really nice. And then it's just really nice to be able to just grab the rail that you need and go, and then slide it back in, and it's locked into the tray. And each one of these trays is about $20. Each one is 3 rows, and you can customize it however you want. That's why I really like it. It's fairly priced, really customizable, really durable, and as you can see, I got all the way up to a 36 millimeter. I don't use anything that big here at home, but this tray holds it, and I've carried the tray, and it did not break with all this weight on here. Now, I won't be doing that, on the regular, but that's just how durable this is, and it's really nice to know that it's lasted as long as it has. I'm really happy with it. Once again, the blue is the metric, and the red is my SAE, and then I put my gear wrench oil plug sockets on here just to get them out of the blow molded case. And once again, the ratchets holds the stuff really nicely. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know what socket organizers you guys use, and what are your thoughts on this. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.